Where are we?
We're at the strawberry farm.
Yay!
Yay!
Where are we going now?
To get some food.
We're very hungry and I really want some waffles. We get to order our food now. Oh, there's a step there. I almost tripped. Everything you could ever wish for. Anything and everything. Yummy. Okay, we're gonna go pick our food now.
Yummy.
Hey guys, we got our food if you want to have a look. Looks so delicious. This is Ben's.
Yummy.
Give that to him. He's really hungry and excited to eat.
Yummy.
And this one is mine. It looks so delicious. It's fried ice cream. I give this to Ben. Okay,
That's
we're
my
gonna eat
strawberry flavoured coffee.
And then I got a strawberry flavoured tea. Let's try it.
Yeah.
Wow, it just tastes like strawberry flavoured tea.
Yeah. And we're sitting by all the strawberries.
How cute are they?
And then the strawberries. Yummy.
Yummy. This is so crispy.
Crispy. Use your hand. Is it too hot?
Wow.
Is it strawberry ice cream?
Just like what it said.
Oh, yummy. Oh, I should have been filming you cutting it, not your face. My bad. I'm a bad.
Look at this.
Good?
Oh, wow.
Strawberlicious?
It's just bread.
Oh, is it?
Oh, it's really good.
Oh, like a roadie.
Oh my god. Yummy.
Yeah.
Gonna get it, Bobby? You like them?
Yeah. They got frozen strawberry, well they freeze dry and coated in chocolate.
Yummy.
Delicious!
They don't have a pink shirt. Oh my gosh. What?
Don't even tempt me.
Oh my god. I miss my slippers, my unicorn slippers. Oh my gosh. Oh, they're so cute.
You're just outshining all the plants though.
Yay, because I'm a beautiful flower.
Yeah.
Yay, yay, yay. Look at this, it's a cactus. Ben's given me 2 shots. I know how much he hates these machines and he thinks they're such a waste of money.
2 tokens.
Yay, yay, yay. Hold this so I can concentrate. I need maximum concentration.
Look at that thing going nuts. Little claw.
I can't even see.
Ooh, it's pretty close. Oh. Try again.
I hope I get it.
Rigged. Do 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 do. Watch your little claw going crazy. Go, Bubby, go. I can't tell from this side. Oh.
I want a cactus plant, a cactus plush. That's the cutest cactus plush I've ever seen.
We'll get one on Amazon.
Hey Tay, look what I found for you. I would buy them for you, but I can't. And if I could buy you one, I will buy you this one. And name him Sprout.
Yay.
He's a little sprout. There's more over here. Come here.
Hey, there's so many.
6 for 11 ringgit. Oh my goodness, I'm gonna buy all of them. Cute. I want to buy all of them for you. I would buy some for myself as well because they're really cute. Look at these cactuses.
Hey, they got stress balls.
No, they're not stressful. This one's name is Spike.
Spike.
Just for you. Oh my goodness. What's on this one? They're so spiky. It's like as big as me. It's not cute anymore. It's not cute anymore.
It's bigger than your head.
Ow, they're actually spiky. This one looks so weird. Looks like a desert in here. I love it. Hi guys, so we're just seeing this very, very beautiful little flower forest. Flower garden.
Flower forest.
Flower garden.
To the extreme.
And we got a few things from the shop after we got some food. This is the first thing that we got. Then picked out a few things for us to eat.
Yummy.
We got this, and then we got some of these.
And the frozen strawberry coated in chocolate.
Yeah, they look really good. I think I've tried one of these before. Then, the best part of all,
Get some fresh strawberries.
we got some strawberries. They smell amazing. We couldn't pick them today because there isn't
It's out of
very
season
many.
now.
Yeah. Ben's a cutie.
Been a bit slack this week because I was sick, so we didn't really do much. So we kind of didn't put any videos up.
We had about a week off. Well, Wednesday and Friday off. I think that can be classed as our Christmas, New Year's break.
Holiday, yeah. And we'll back into it Monday and Wednesday and Friday next week.
That's right.
And for the rest of the year.
Yeah, really cute background, and I want to stay here forever. It's so beautiful. Makes me really, really happy. Anything that's really colourful and bright just makes me super happy.
Yay!
Thanks for watching, guys. This was the strawberry farm in Malaysia. Was it the red strawberry farm?
Big Red.
Big red strawberry farm. It was really cool, actually. Pretty nice and easy day.
Yay!
Not too much to look at. I think there's just like some birds, if you can hear. Some bunnies and some chickens, but they're birds as well. What else?
Strawberries.
Strawberries. Oh yeah, strawberries. Strawberries and some food, some really delicious food, and some souvenirs that you can buy.
Yeah.
That's about it.
Yeah.
Okay, thanks for watching, guys.
Bye.
Bye.